Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about whether anyone who invested 10,000 INR in Tata Steel IPO turns into 14.48 crores today. Tata Steel was founded in 1907 by Jamshedji N. Tata in Jamshedpur. Today it is the global business enterprise with products and services in over 150 countries. This Tata Steel company is from Tata Group. There are 29 publicly listed Tata enterprises which include Tata Steel. Tata Steel was established in India as Asia's first integrated private steel company in 1907. And Tata Steel is one of the largest steel producers in Europe with crude and steel production capacity over 12 million TPA. In 2015, Tata Steel acquired the major stake in Tata-based steelmaker Millennium Steel. Tata Steel 10,000 INR investment growth. In 1917, the initial investment of 10,000 will get 10,000 shares. That is 10 rupees per share at the face value of 100. In 1954, Tata Steel give 1:1 bonus. So you will get 2,000 shares and the face value remains 100. In 1959, Tata Steel give 2:5 bonus. You will get 2,800 shares and face value remains 100. In 1967, Tata Steel gives 2:5 bonus. Total shares you will get 3,920 and face value remains 100. In 1987, Tata Steel give 2:5 bonus. The total number of shares you will get 5,488 and face value remains 100. In 1996, Tata Steel split the stock 1:10 split ratio. Total number of shares you will get 54,880. For every one share you will get 10 shares. So here the face value come from 100 to 10. In 2004, Tata Steel give 1:1 bonus. Total number of shares you will get 1,09,760 and face value remains 10. In 2022, Tata Steel split the shares 1:10 split ratio. Total number of shares you will get 10,97,600 shares. So the face value comes from 10 to 1. So the current trading price of Tata Steels is 132 INR. The total number of shares you hold is 10,97,600 shares. The total net market rate is 14 crores 48,83,200 INR. The Tata Steel dividends total number of share is 10,97,600 shares. And to the last year, the Tata Steel the dividend was given 3.60 INR. The dividend of the last year is 39,51,360. So every year the dividend will be increased. Can I get the return like this? If you invest today in Tata Steel shares, you will not get return like this. Tata Steel grew as a large cap company, but you have to find the future company like this. In the last 1 year, Tata Steel shares give the dividend of 0%. With the last 5 years, Tata Steel and the absolute return of 171.49% and the average return for the last 5 years is 34.29% only. Keynotes. Earlier, the few companies have given return like this. Infosys, Reliance, and Titan, etc. were the few multi-baggers. If you want the same kind of return, do some research and invest in 20-25 stocks. Invest in the early stage and hold it for next 20 years. If any fundamental issue with that stock, sell immediately and hold the other stocks. That will give you the more possibility to get the return like this. And that's it about this video, friend. Press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and follow me for more financial videos.